let me hit you with a cold truth. If you're still chasing those tired, get-rich-quick hacks from 2019, you're not just behind, you're delusional. You're trying to win an F1 race in a horse and buggy. The online game has flipped, the rules have changed. And you know what is the scariest part? The very method that countless gurus are still pushing as the ultimate passive income dream is actually number one on my worst list, and it's a financial black hole. So today, I'm exposing it all. We're ranking the 7 most common ways to make money online in 2026. We'll start by counting down the 4 worst methods to avoid at all costs, and then flip the script to reveal the 3 best strategies that actually build wealth. This video isn't just about making money, it's about saving you months of chasing financial landmines dressed up as opportunity. We kick off our Hall of Shame at number 4, generic side hustles. Think data entry, basic translation, or even simple graphic design tasks like creating social media banners. But here's the brutal reality that most won't tell you. You aren't just competing with other humans anymore. You're up against software that works for free 24/7 with 0 typos and never asks for a coffee break. Did you know that over 80% of companies are already replacing these basic tasks with AI agents? If your only skill is I can type fast or I can make a basic logo, you're not just racing to the bottom, you're already there. But while this method is a soul-crushing waste of your precious time, the next one isn't just inefficient, it's actively burning a hole in your wallet, draining your resources with every click. You won't believe how many people fall for it. Coming in at number 3 is the trap everyone falls for, low-ticket affiliate marketing. You've seen the flashy videos, make money while you sleep by just posting links. Sounds easy, right? But let's do the cold, hard math the gurus conveniently forget to show you. You sell a $20 gadget on Amazon. Your commission? A measly 80 cents. To pay just an average monthly rent of, say, $1,000, you'd need to sell over 1,250 of those gadgets. Every single month. Unless you're already a mega influencer with an audience of millions, this isn't a business, it's digital panhandling, trading endless effort for pocket change. But if you think that's a bad deal, wait until you see number 2. Because it's not just inefficient, it has a staggering 75% failure rate that crushes dreams and empties bank accounts. You've been warned. If you've made it this far, you're clearly hungry for financial freedom and smarter strategies. Smash that like button if you found this breakdown valuable and hit subscribe to join the Wired for Money community. At number 2, we have generic print on demand. Putting a funny slogan on a mug and hoping for the best. Here's the brutal truth. You are not just competing, you are drowning in a red ocean. You're fighting against established major brands, sophisticated AI designers, and literally millions of other copycats all vying for the same fleeting attention. The data doesn't lie. A staggering 3 out of 4 of these print-on-demand stores flatline within months. Why? Because nobody wakes up thinking, I desperately need a low-quality shirt from a brand I've never heard of, and I'm willing to pay a premium for it. But if you think that's a tough battle, wait until you hear about number 1, because it's not just struggling, it's the method that used to be king, and is now a certified financial death sentence. You absolutely need to avoid this one. The grand prize for the worst way to make money in 2026 goes to classic AliExpress dropshipping. Let's be real. We live in a world of instant gratification, a world of Amazon Prime where customers expect their purchases yesterday. With generic dropshipping, you're asking them to wait a grueling 30 days or more for a cheap product from halfway around the world. Here's the brutal truth. For the people who did make it big with this model, they built their empires years ago, when the landscape was a wild west of opportunity. They had first mover advantage, low ad costs, and 0 competition. For them, it was a gold rush. But for you, a beginner stepping into this arena in 2026, it's not just a challenge, it's a financial suicide mission. In an era of skyrocketing ad costs, unpredictable import tariffs, and cutthroat competition from established players, your profit margin isn't just thin, it's practically negative. You'll spend more on marketing than you'll ever make back, deal with endless customer complaints about shipping times and product quality, and drown in chargebacks. Stop trying to revive a business model that officially died in 2020. This isn't just outdated, it's a guaranteed way to lose money, torch your reputation, and frustrate customers into oblivion. It's a beginner's nightmare designed to chew you up and spit you out with an empty bank account and a mountain of stress. Okay, breathe. We've cleared the junk. Now let's look at what is actually working in 2026. These are the 3 methods creating real millionaires right now. At number 3 is high-income service skills, specifically AI problem solver. Forget freelancing, become a fixer. Businesses are terrified of AI. They know they need it, but they don't know how to use it. This isn't just a hunch. 75% of small and medium-sized businesses are investing in AI. Yet a staggering 4 out of 10 businesses cite a shortage of expertise as a major barrier to implementation. This is where you come in. If you can walk into a local dentist office and say, "I can build a bot that automatically books appointments for you," you aren't a freelancer, you are a consultant. You build it once and they pay you every month. One client like this is worth 100 generic Fiverr gigs. The data is clear. Experienced AI consultants bill 30 to 40% higher than traditional IT consultants due to this scarcity of talent. The business's AI consulting segment is the fastest growing, projected at a 25% compound annual growth rate, CAGR. This isn't just about big tech, it's about local businesses needing practical solutions. Think customer service automation, predictive analytics, or inventory optimization. But maybe you don't want to deal with clients at all. Then you're going to love number 2. Number 2 is faceless video automation. Video is eating the internet. It's not just a trend, it's the dominant form of content consumption, with over 1 billion hours watched daily on YouTube alone. But here's the secret. You don't need to show your face to get a massive slice of that pie. Channels like 5-Minute Crafts or Alex are making millions without a single influencer on screen. They've built digital real estate that pays them while they sleep. And here's why 2026 is the golden age for this. The barrier to entry has never been lower. With advanced AI tools, you can now write compelling scripts, generate natural-sounding voiceovers, and even edit entire videos in a fraction of the time and cost it took just a few years ago. This isn't about churning out low-quality content, it's about leveraging technology to create high-value, engaging videos at scale. Imagine building a library of evergreen content that consistently attracts viewers and generates revenue, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. Consider this, the average CPM cost per 1,000 views for finance content can range from $10 to $30. A faceless channel consistently pulling in just 1 million views a month could be generating $10,000 to $30,000 in ad revenue alone. And that's before considering affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or sponsorships. You're not just creating videos, you're building an automated income stream, a true digital asset that appreciates over time. But what is number 1 best way? This is the only one with effectively infinite profit margins. The number 1 best way to make money in 2026 is selling niche digital products. This is the holy grail of income, think about it. If you sell a physical shirt, you have to pay for the shirt, shipping, and storage. Every single sale incurs a cost, but if you sell a PDF guide, a template, a mini course, or even a custom Notion dashboard, you create it once and sell it 10,000 times. Your cost to replicate, effectively $0. This means your profit margin is nearly 100%, a financial dream that traditional businesses can only envy. You don't need to be a guru with a massive following, you just need to be one step ahead of the person you're teaching. For example, if you've mastered the art of organizing a closet, you can sell a closet organization checklist or a minimalist wardrobe planner. If you're proficient in Excel, a set of financial templates for small businesses or a budgeting spreadsheet for couples can be incredibly valuable. These aren't just ideas, they are proven concepts. Creators are generating 6 and even 7 figures selling everything from Etsy shop planners to digital art brushes and fitness workout guides. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability and passive income potential. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without additional effort, freeing up your time and maximizing your earnings. This is the holy grail of income, offering unparalleled freedom and financial leverage in the digital economy. So there you have it, the 4 financial dead ends and the 3 golden opportunities for making money online in 2026. Stop chasing anything generic or gimmicky. Those aren't just bad ideas, they are financial black holes designed to drain your wallet and your time. Invest in yourself and build real assets. That means mastering high-income skill, leveraging AI, and creating something unique where the real opportunities lie. So, pick your path wisely. 2026 could be your breakout year. If you are serious about your finances, this next video is perfect for you. Spoilers: 48 hours is all you need to fix your money.